Hazrat Ubaid bin Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, narrates that once I became known to Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa raziyallahu ta'ala anha that Hazrat Abdullah bin Amr, may Allah be pleased with him, used to give instructions to women that while performing the ritual bath, ghusl, they should uncover their hair. Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa raziyallahu ta'ala anha expressed surprise at this and asked why Hazrat Abdullah bin Amr, may Allah be pleased with him, did not instruct them to wash their heads thoroughly. She mentioned that both she and the Prophet ﷺ used to perform ghusl using the same vessel of water, and she would not pour more water over her head than 3 times. This narration highlights the practice and guidance related to ritual bathing among the companions of the Prophet Mohammad S.A.W. Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23075.